ingredients. First, you can use any marshmallow you like. We have these rainbow
Marshmallows.
Yeah, and we have these sticks to put them. First, you need to put it like this, you guys. And next, you can dunk it in chocolate or white chocolate. After that, you can dunk it in all the sprinkles that you have. That's what we do. So now let's get started. So guys, now we're gonna do the thing. Oh my god, only
that's
with
enough.
this now we can eat the other marshmallows next way. So guys, now we're going to dip it in chocolate or milk.
No, chocolate.
Yeah, so
Choose one.
this.
Not too many, I think.
Waiting for it. Not drip, don't drip. Guys, before you add the sprinkles, make sure for it to now what's next? So now we're gonna put on the topping. Okay, I want some rainbow because I want the rainbow. I want some red. I got some chocolate on my hand, so I have to oh, it looks nice right now. But mine looks nice as well. I'm finished. Now where do we put it? Oh, here. So guys, now we're gonna repeat in the full marshmallow disaster.
Why disaster?
It's not even a disaster. I'm gonna pick a stick. I got this big one. I got this green one now. I'm still gonna do chocolate. I'm still gonna do tea. So now, what? I want the pink. Because the marshmallows pink. I'm totally good. I keep getting chocolate in my hand. Nice. I'm gonna totally eat this one with the pink sprinkles and the pink marshmallow. Yeah, I'm doing it. It's gonna taste so yummy when it's done, okay? Not bad, it's finished. That's it.
The top, I think.
Yummy. In the top, oh yeah.
Yes.
Smells so good. I didn't the top. Look, it's happy joy. Because I got yellow. Wow. And guys, I'm gonna do all chocolate. I'm gonna do all of that. I'm gonna move this to y'all. These are all the milk. These are all the chocolate, you guys. Okay. Looks good. So I'm gonna do the yellow. Okay, I'm finished. I'll put it here because these are all the milk and that's all the chocolate. Now if you're finished, give it to me because I'm gonna put it there. More yellow for joy. Why you say joy? Joy is from the movie. What are you thinking? I'm Inside Out. Yeah, Inside Out. This joy, and I have that sprinkle. Now, which color do you want of all of these? I want the green. I'll do it for you. There you go. I want this orange one. I'll totally get this one after the video if we eat. I'm totally gonna get like this one because this is my first one I like it. Why are we crossing? Yeah, we need to start crossing. Yeah.
Wait a minute.
Okay.
Like that?
I want the rainbow. I want to do the blue. Wow! Everything is going well.
Do the
So
same.
yummy, guys. See? Which one are you gonna eat after the video? Of course, the pink one with the pink sprinkles. But should we like make everyone eat some and see what their face is all about? Like those faces? I don't even know why I said that. I'm doing this. Wow, my little eyes. Look at mine. Wow. Look, you guys. Now I'm gonna look at some nice. So nice. I'm gonna put it all here. Put it up. Okay. And what about another one? What are you doing? Let's have to do this one with this one. With this one. And the last one. This one. I need the rainbow. What do you look? We are the same. Look, you guys, we both make same. Let's put these in. You might know why my mama is getting all of them. She's putting it in the freezer, so we can test them. Yeah. So now, guys, we're gonna eat. Yeah. What's all your recipe?
Okay, you pick one.
I want this one.
Pick one, Elura.
I never want that one.
Oh, you want the pink one, Elura?
I never go get it. Mommy help us. I'll pick this one. Oh, we're gonna do this one. I want to
Give the
pick.
chocolate one, Elura.
Wow.
Wow. How was it, Elura? You like it?
So nice. So good.
Eat me, eat me. How was it? Is it yummy? Is it good?
I really like it. Yummy, yummy. I like it, so I want to just. The chocolate is so hard. Yeah, I can't even get one bit. I'm gonna taste it. Look, guys. You can't see it, guys. It's hard. You can get just a sprinkle and like. I ate it all. Wow. So guys, you should make this at home. It's so yummy. And guys, it's so messy. You see the mess, but it's yummy.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's so leaves. I want to eat another one.
It's worth it.
So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button over there. See you in the next video. Yeah. Bye-bye.
Bye. Say bye, Elura. Bye.
I'm gonna do it.
Bye-bye.